So Oppo has just launched its Find X9 and X9 Pro smartphones, and now rumors have already started revolving around their upcoming Find X9 Ultra and a compact flagship, the Find X9s. And the first set of leaked details on this compact handset suggest Oppo is going hard on the battery side. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Find X9s will succeed the Find X8s, which launched back in April. There was two models, the Find X8s, which is a compact size handset, and a bigger size Find X8s Plus. So we guess for the X9s series, there will also be two models, a compact one and a bigger size. As per the well-known tipster, the top-end Find X9 Ultra will feature a 7000 plus mAh of battery. However, what's more interesting, the compact size flagship handset, the Find X9s, will also feature a massive 7000 plus mAh of battery. Now, for reference, its predecessor, the Find X8s, is a 6.32 inches screen size device with a decent 5700 mAh battery. So if X9s launched with the same screen size, a 7000 plus mAh battery will be an incredible upgrade. Anyway, this is also in line what Oppo said earlier at the launch of Find X9 and X9 Pro. In 2025, no 7000, no flagship. So if the optimizations go excellent, the Find X9s series will offer over an all-day battery backup easily. Moving on, the tipster also shared about the design of the Find X9s, and according to him, one of the prototype unit of the Find X9s follows the same overall design as the Find X9. Now, unfortunately, though the other details are still under wraps, but if it follows its predecessor, the Find X9s will get the flagship chipset from MediaTek, and this time it could be the Dimensity 9500 Plus chipset. Anyway, rest assured, I will keep you updated on this compact size Find X9s, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.